I had felt like I'd stagnated a little bit where I was previously and looking for a place to grow and kind of put my roots down as I stepped into a senior role. And when I came in for the interview, Celeste and Wade really was pushing that they had a culture that they were proud of and were wanting to build on. And it just kind of felt right. As soon as I went into the interview and I accepted the role, it just felt right. I've been here for 9 months and it feels really good. So I am basically managing a big piece of work, implementing the global industry standard for tailings management. They have a lot of requirements. For one of our clients, we're just running a massive program to make sure they are compliant to all of that. So I do a bit more hands-on stuff for the water resources side of things. That's consequence category assessments, and a couple of dam break assessments. But otherwise, I'm project managing the rest of the work, which includes a lot of making sure the documentation's done for the GISTM requirements. We do a lot to do with the consequence category assessment. So that's making sure that if a dam or a tailings dam was to fail, what are the downstream consequences? So you're looking at social impacts, your impacts to the business, environmental impacts, economical impacts, all of that, and working out what category that dam or tailings dam might fit into. Otherwise, we look at drainage issues on site. If there was to be a flood, how can we make the mine more resilient to that flood? I think we've got a really strong team here, and with the knowledge we have across the group, with the tailings knowledge with the Geosyntec guys, I think we're really able to do a really good job having an integrated program that we can deliver for our clients.